All right, good morning. It is February 4th, 2021. This is vlog 23. Wow, 23. Nice. And yeah, we're just chugging along. It's the beginning of February. It's the love month. Woke up today about 8 a.m. It's around 10 o'clock right now, but yesterday was kind of crazy, but anyways, let's look at the weather. I didn't do this yesterday, so I gotta check the weather. Check the weather. Today, it's currently 59 degrees with a high of 61. Looking like it's gonna be sunny. Yeah, 61. Mild day, but sunny. I like it. Looks good outside right now, so it's kind of crazy. Bam. So that's that. La la. Let's check out some birthdays, actually. What the heck is going on? Hello, hello, hello. Can you test? Oh, I'm lagging. Oh. Don't. I lagged hard. Alright. There we go. I think we're back. Alright, I think we're back. So, today is Thursday. Yesterday was kind of a crazy day. Have an empty, well, we don't have an empty house, but it feels weird without the bunny here. It's kind of crazy. That bunny, she caused a lot of grief, and now she's not here. Yesterday, what I learned, I'll just start out with this, is that bunny had a big effect on me. It was kind of crazy. Like 10 years. I was talking to Kaylee yesterday. I actually picked the bunny. And I took care of her a lot. She needed a lot of taking care of. So in that time, I guess it's a love-hate relationship. And then when she's gone, it's like, wow. It's kind of like a part of your life just left. It's like weird. But she had a good life. Actually, the doctor said, or the Carrie took her in, and she was, she's so awesome taking that bunny in, because yeah, that's a hard thing, man. I can't even imagine. We had to take the bunny in because I guess she had blood clots in her leg, and her leg wasn't working, so she couldn't get around in the house, and it was pretty sad. And so, but I guess the vet said that yeah, 10 years is a long time. Usually, like, that kind of bunny only lasts like 8, so she had a good life. It was awesome. But hey, time to move on. It was very sad. But yesterday, I'll give a thing about yesterday. I woke up at 9, did my vlog. Actually during my vlog, that's when Carrie had to take her, and then take Bunny. But after my vlog, I was feeling bad, so I had to 100 day quick, and my 100 day song, it was day 4. Actually, this is getting amazing on the 100. I'm pretty excited on that, but I had to do mine quick because I was just feeling the emotions again, just like when I was doing the 100 island style, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get through the song and finish it. I had to do it early, so I did it, and I made it, and I dedicated it to Bunny. You can watch it on the YouTube. It's there. It's pretty. I watch it again. Every time I watch it, I cry. It's crazy. But anyways, yeah. Today is a new day. I'm putting my coffee where I'm not supposed to, so hopefully I don't drop it. Let's see what else happened here. Yeah, I did my song. I was kind of chilling out. I was feeling bad, I guess. I can't remember what happened. And then right around 2 or 2:30, I knew Kaylee was coming home because she had work that day, and then she came home crying. And we just cried, had a good cry together. It's crazy. And then Carrie came home, and then we all cried together and had our time. Yeah, it was crazy. Just reminiscing about bunny stories. I still have slippers with her bunny thing. She's still here. It's kind of crazy. Like, she's still here. I still keep finding bunny poop all over the place. That bunny. Wow. Then I actually had a Ook social too last night, and it was cool because we had Hadley, Dean, and Nikki on. I don't know where Amy is. Amy, where are you? She's probably busy. I know school is coming back, so. But Hadley, Dean, and Nikki were on, and it was awesome. Man, that group is just, it's nice to see those guys just keep on going. And then how they grow and become better, and their language is different. They're talking more confident and stuff like that. Hadley is awesome. I wrote here, the group is getting better. And I can't wait to play live with them again. That's going to be so fun because they're better, and it's going to be fun to just jam, and they kind of know what to do. It's so sick. But yeah, what I learned yesterday was Bunny had a big effect on me. It was kind of crazy. I don't know. You never know what you care for in life. Actually, this happened before because we've had 3 previous cats. First cat was Mama, and she passed away a long time ago. And then there was Mimi. And then Buster. Buster was a anomaly because that was Carrie's mom's cat, and we had to take her after Carrie's mom passed. And it was weird because Buster was a boy cat. All the other ones were girls, and then there's 2 girl. It was all girl nation here in the house. I was the only guy. So when Buster came, he was the first guy, I say, in the house. So we kind of bonded. And then he passed. He was already old, but he passed. And actually, that was crazy because, again, you never know who you care about because I cried. I cried for Buster. Actually, there's another YouTube video. There's a YouTube video. I sang a song for Buster. It was so funny. It's on YouTube. It's hilarious. These animals, man. It's kind of crazy when they're here. Like, I think about my cats right now. It's like Figgy, I've showed you already. She always comes up, says, "Hey, what you doing?" She always wants to play. Kiton does the same thing, but working at home, I'm always here most of the time, and it's they always keep me company. Like, they'll come and sit here, right here, or they'll sit on top, and stuff like that. Animals are good. It just sucks when they leave. It's crazy. But yeah, today's Thursday. What am I doing today? I have a lot of stuff to do. I have to edit some stuff. After this, I'll probably have to do another video for my 100 days. Today is going to be a newer song. Well, a newer song for me. And it's going to be... I already have it keyed up here, I think. Not Santeria. Yes. Oh, shoot. I gotta look. Ooh, I got some songs coming. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be crazy. Oh, where's it? Oh, Take the Money and Run. Take That Money and Run. Coming up next. Take That Money and Run. That's gonna be awesome. Totally digging this song. Yeah. Steve Miller Band. Nice. But yeah, that's the song I'm going to do. And I actually have to do this today. I'm going to do a promo. I'm trying to think of what to call it. DIY ukulele reviews. I guess that's what I'll do. DIY ukulele reviews. And then we'll start doing that maybe every Friday. That'd be kind of cool, actually. Every Friday. I'm going to write that down in the book. Thought every Friday. DIY ook reviews. reviews, or once a month or something like that. We'll just do that. DIY Ook reviews. Actually, that'd be pretty fun. I think so. What else am I doing today? There's editing. I got lessons to do. We got to work on the website. Carrie's been really busy, so we're trying to help each other out here and get some stuff done. So, what else is happening today? I think that's it. Let's look at some birthdays. Birthdays. What is this? Anne. Oh my gosh. Anne to see. That's crazy. She's on my Facebook. It's funny how you get your friends on your Facebook. But Anne was, her and her boyfriend actually, we traded places in Paris. I think that was the first time I went to Paris, and we traded places, and she stayed here, and they stayed here. But they spent the night here before we left, so we got a chance to meet them, and she was like, she was half Filipina in Paris. That was kind of cool. But hey, if you remember me, Anne, happy birthday. Paris, France. Paris. Gotta love it. Yeah, can't wait to travel. Carrie can't wait to travel. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Today I'm drinking the Ely coffee. So actually, this was going to be a short one. It's only 12 minutes because I can't think of anything else. What happened the day before? Is there anything else? Actually, I want to talk about my book a little bit, Music Medicine. I'll read something here. So I went, basically in the book, what I'm gathering, and I keep talking about is how to teach music is first it starts with your rhythm. Yeah, that's your heart and find your heartbeat, right? Music. What does that mean? Actually, I'm putting it together. It's funny. You have to do your practice, and when you're doing instruments, it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know about voice. Yeah, I think there's some practice for that. I just don't know it. I think I just sing, but I don't know what the practice is. But you have to find your rhythm, find that heartbeat. And then it's the melody. You turn those beats into a melody, which is your song. You'll find your song. Actually, it's kind of funny. I'm gonna grab my ukulele because, yeah. As I talk about that, it's kind of, I think finding your song is kind of like this, because when I practice, I just make up riffs, and right now, I'm on this riff. I've been finding D minor, I think D minor and F. I love those chords. But this is the riff that I work on. That riff right there resonates with me, and I keep doing it like in my practice, and it's one that I just made up, just playing, and it's kind of trippy. I think that's what it means to find your song, maybe. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it like melody wise because that melody really resonates with me and it feels like it's something I made up. So, hmm. Yeah. Find your rhythm, find your song, and I think that's what I'm doing right now is finding your song, but I have good melodies. Like I feel like I have good melodies that are coming out of me. And then you harmonize with people. You learn how to play with people and stuff like that. It's actually, I like it. It's pretty amazing to think of it that way. Now you have the rhythm, the melody, the harmony. Now they're talking about silence. Christine Stevens is talking about silence. And this is the first statement in the silence section. It is said that before any sound there is silence. Within the silence there is power. It's kind of crazy. What does it mean? From what I gather, I think from what I've heard in music, and actually I've been learning this a lot because sometimes we keep playing and we keep playing, and we want to go fast instead of letting the notes ring, and then they're like letting that go into silence. Because before, like they're saying in here, to have sound, you need silence. That's weird. It's a duality. It's like a duality of life, I guess. But yeah. So I'm reading that part, and the silence part is pretty amazing. You never would think that in music, silence would be a big deal, but it is a huge deal. It's kind of crazy. To have good music, you have to give good silence. So, yeah, that's what I've been learning on the music medicine side or sound healing, and it's pretty amazing. It's kind of I'm getting it, and I could see it in myself, and then when I see it in myself, I start seeing it in other people. It's pretty rad. So, think about that. Silence. But today, it is February 4th, 2021. Thursday. This is vlog 22, and I think I'm done. For today. I'm just done for today. I'm excited. Tomorrow's Friday, then we have the weekend. I have a lot of stuff that's going on this weekend, so yeah. Like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Talk to you soon.